Welcome to another episode of Ask PlexusDx. Today, we're diving into a question that's been on a lot of minds. Is insulin resistance hereditary? It's fascinating how some folks seem to struggle with insulin resistance while others sail through life without a hitch. So let's unpack this a bit, shall we? First off, insulin resistance happens when our body cells become less sensitive to insulin, which can lead to higher blood sugar levels. Now, while we often think of diet and exercise as the main players in this game, research shows that genetics also plays a significant role. In fact, if you have family members with type 2 diabetes, your risk of developing insulin resistance goes up. That's a pretty strong indicator that our genes might be whispering to us about our health. Scientists have identified specific genes that are linked to insulin signaling and glucose metabolism. For instance, variations in the MTHFR gene, which processes folate and regulates homocysteine levels, have been associated with metabolic disorders like insulin resistance. So understanding these genetic factors can really empower us to take charge of our health. Let me share a personal story. A close friend of mine was really committed to her health, eating well, exercising regularly, but she still faced challenges with insulin resistance. After digging into her family history, we discovered that several relatives had similar issues. This prompted her to get genetic testing, and guess what? The results revealed specific genetic markers related to insulin resistance. Armed with this knowledge, she worked with her healthcare provider to create a tailored management strategy that really made a difference. Now, if you're wondering how to manage insulin resistance, here are some practical steps. First, consider getting tested, especially if you have a family history of insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. A saliva-based genetic test can reveal your predispositions, helping you make informed lifestyle choices. Next, focus on nutrition. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, think leafy greens, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. And of course, cutting back on processed foods and sugars is key to keeping those blood sugar levels stable. Staying active is another crucial step. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Activities like walking, cycling, or strength training can really boost your insulin sensitivity. Don't forget to monitor your health. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels and having regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help you stay on top of any changes. Lastly, consider seeking professional guidance. A healthcare provider who specializes in genetic factors can help you interpret your genetic test results and develop a personalized strategy based on your unique profile. So, to wrap it all up, insulin resistance is influenced by both genetic and lifestyle factors. Understanding your hereditary risks can empower you to manage your health more effectively. If you think you might be at risk, I highly recommend checking out the precision health and wellness tests available from PlexusDx. These saliva-based tests can help you identify your genetic predispositions, allowing you to make informed health decisions. You can find PlexusDx tests at PlexusDx.com, Amazon, and Walmart.com. Plus, links to these tests are provided in the show notes below. If you found today's episode insightful, please like and subscribe. The following is an important disclaimer. PlexusDx is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service, which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment.